It may sound like a time-traveling twist, but the 1835 Buick Wildcat is a fictional concept, not a historical reality yet. Imagining it as a fusion of early industrial-era fantasy and mid-American muscle creates a fascinating thought experiment. Of course, Buick didn't exist in 1835, nor did automobiles. But if we reinterpret the idea through the lens of a retrofuturistic the 1835 Buick Wildcat becomes an imaginative symbol of what could happen if steam age aesthetics collided with V8-fueled ambition. Let's envision this machine as a steam hybrid inspired by the Wildcat nameplate, which Buick first introduced in the 1960s as a performance full-size coupe powered by V8s. Our fictional 1835 version then borrows the design sensibilities of Victorian steam locomotion riveted body panels, brass trim, and exposed mechanical linkage merged with the soul of a muscle car. Spec-wise, let's imagine the engine as an advanced multi-chambered steam turbine, capable of producing the equivalent of 325 horse. Wild figure for the 1800s, but perfectly in line with the performance narrative of the actual Buick Wildcat from which boasted a 401 cubic inch nailhead V8 with similar output. This fictional Wildcat would have a manual 3-speed gearbox adapted to torque modulation levers, and roll on solid iron wheels wrapped in reinforced leather tread, suitable for cobbled roads of its time. While such a machine defies historical reality, it opens a lens into an alternate automotive universe where innovation outran actual chronology. In comparison to real Buick models, this speculative 1835 version shares its boldness and power ethos with the actual Wildcat and later performance. Buicks like the GSX, but unlike those sleek, chrome-era coupes built for highways, the 1835 Wildcat would be more akin to a Land Cruiser heavy, rugged, and built for dominance over rough terrain rather than smooth asphalt. From a historical standpoint, the Wildcat name itself carries weight. Introduced as a concept car in the 1950s and later launched as a full-size production model in the 1960s, the Buick Wildcat was a symbol of American power, prestige, and style. It helped define Buick's transition from conservative luxury to muscular performance. In a reimagined future, the 1835 Buick Wildcat could serve as a cultural artifact in retro steam automotive showcases or as a themed EV concept, combining nostalgia, artistic craftsmanship, and futuristic sustainability. Perhaps it would inspire a limited-run electric Grand Tourer, designed with brass-trimmed dashboards and exposed mechanical elements, blending vintage fantasy with next-gen power. While it never turned a wheel in history, the idea of the 1835 Buick Wildcat sparks the imagination, proving that sometimes the wildest rides are those dreamed beyond the bounds of time.